Hi friends, good morning. This is your Aditya. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to write a program to check whether a number is a perfect number or not in Python. First, let us know the definition of a perfect number. A perfect number is a positive integer that is equal to the sum of its proper divisors. The smallest perfect number is 6, which is the sum of 1, 2 and 3. Other perfect numbers are 28, 496 and 8128. First, let us assume that the user has given us a perfect number, for example 6. For 6, it prints 6 is a perfect number. Okay, let's assume that the user has given us another number which is not a perfect number. For example, 17. For 17, it prints 17 is not a perfect number. Okay, now let us see the code. This is the code. First, let's see what's in the main function. This is the main function. In the first line, we are using the input function to ask the input from the user and assigning the value to the variable user input. Next, we are using the try except method. The try except method does what's in the try block, and if it gets any errors, it will do what's in the except block. Next, user input equal to int user input. Here we are changing the data type of user input into an integer data type, because while taking the input from the input function, by default it will take the data type as a string. That's why we are changing the data type into an integer here. Next, if user input less than 1, as you know that negative numbers and 0 is less than 1 and we can't check whether they are perfect numbers or not, we are printing an error that enter a positive number. As we saw even in the definition that we can find perfect numbers only for positive integers, we are printing the error enter a positive number. Or else if the user enters a positive number, for example 2 or 6, it will do what's in the else block. If user input equal to factor sum user input. Okay, first let's see what's the factor sum function. We are passing the arguments user input and the parameters will receive the value of user input, the argument, and give the values to the parameter num. Okay, next we are creating two variables, start and result. We are assigning the value 1 to start and result 0. The start variable will going to give us numbers to check whether the number is a factor or not, and the result will store the sum of the factors of num. While start less than num, it will execute the while loop. As 1 is less than num, which is 6, it will execute the while loop. If num mod start equal to 0, num mod start gives us the remainder of num divided by start, which is 6 divided by 1, whose remainder is 0. As a reminder 0 is equal to 0, it will execute the if statement. Result plus equal to start. We are adding 0 to 1 in this statement. Next, start plus equal to 1. We are incrementing 1 to start in this statement. Okay, the while loop will execute as long as the condition is true. When the condition is false, for example, start's value is 6, as 6 is not less than num, it will break out of the loop and return the value result. That's what we are checking, the results value, which will be 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3, the factor sum. As 6 is equal to 6, it will print that 6 is a perfect number. We are using the format function because we can't append a string and an integer data type. So we are using the format function. If the number is not a perfect number, it will jump to the else block and print that user input, for example 17. As 17 is not a perfect number, it will print 17 is not a perfect number. As we know that we need to call a function to execute it, we are calling the factor sum function here and the main function over here in the last line. Okay, now let's see the code in action. First, I am going to enter a positive number and an perfect number, for example 6. It printed as expected that 6 is a perfect number. Okay, now let me enter 17. 17 is not a perfect number and it printed as expected. Now let me enter a negative number, for example -5. This too printed as expected, enter a positive number. Now let me enter an string like ABC. This too printed as expected, enter a number. So our program works. Thank you. Please subscribe.